So I'm in my RV today and I need to replace the slide motor that is in one of my slides. They call them the Schwintek slides. This is the Lippert motor that will be replaced. This is what is installed on each side of those slides, and it moves your slide in and out. This one does one side, you have another one just like this on the other side, and it will, allow your slide to move in and out. Now there's multiple wires on here because this is not just a positive and a negative. There's all these communications and syncs and things that it's doing through these wires to let the controller know that everything's doing okay. So the controller can detect things like shorts and stuff like that because it has all of these extra wires here and the sensors inside of this. So it's not, again, just a plus and minus motor. You need one that's going to have, all of the circuitry to be able to work with the controller that you have. But again, this is the Lippert. This one is part number 236575. It's the 300 to 1 motor. I believe the 500 to 1 looks identical, but the difference is the gearing in this section here is different. So the motor here might be the same, but the gearing is different. So it will, provide more torque. It might move a little slower or something like that. But either way, you need to make sure you get the right motor for your slide, or you could cause issues in your RV. But anyways, I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.